like. So I'm cooking 3 crab. So you know, say 1 for Ronaldina, my lovely son. 1 for Sarah, my beautiful daughter-in-law. So when you cook, you have to cook with love, you know. And 1 for myself. Yes. Then you just take the little spice and you throw it over it. Make sure everything is good to go. I'm cooking this food with love. Black people cook with love. Yes. I can ask again how much season for use, how much this for use. We just cook and cook according to our taste bud. So you can do the same. You can do whatever you like and put as much season you like to your taste bud. We cook with love. So soul food. This called soul food. You understand? Little white rice on the side. Take the file paper, cover it, simmer down, then it good to go. Ronaldino,